Hello, teachers. So Tom Nemeth asked me this, like, how do I make the picture in picture? So some of you may be using Screencastify. Screencastify is basically a way to create videos that capture your computer screen, um, but then also you can have a picture in picture in there. And so let me just real quick run through like how do you even get this doing. Some of you know are using this. Some of you are like, oh, this is cool. I want to know how to use this. All right. So number one, Chrome. Using Chrome, it's a Chrome. Screencastify is a Google tool, so it works well in Chrome. So the first thing you want to do is just go search for Screencastify, and then you'll get something like your Screencastify free Chrome extension, and it's like free Chrome extension. So you'll click on that. It'll be add to Chrome. It's free. You click on that. It'll pop up and say, "Are you sure you want to allow Chrome to see all your files and pictures and this and that?" And you say, "Yes, I do." And then it will put this up. It'll put a little Screencastify arrow right up here in your little favorites. You might actually have to click on this little splatter thing that's your extensions, and you'll see all your extensions. And I think there's like a little pin thing. You click on that pin thing, and it will pin it to your little favorites there. So then all you do is you just click on that, right? I have another little window open. Let me see here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you just click on that, and what actually pops up then is basically this. It pops up, and you have an option to do like click on a browser tab. I never do this one. I always use desktop or webcam only. The desktop one will capture a current desktop. When you click on record, it's going to show your screen, and if you've got multiple screens, it's going to show the different screens, and you just select which screen. So for me, I'm actually picking a screen that's over here, and so now I have to keep remembering that I need to look at my camera and not the screen, but or I just move it here, whatever. But but you select the screen, and then you click OK, and it goes beep 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 beep, and it starts, and then you just record. Now you can then, and typically how I'll do this is I'll record something like with a slide presentation, like you know I'll have a slide presentation up, and we're learning about resistors, and I can talk about that, and I can have this, I can move this around, and be talking about stuff, and so and still going through the slides. I can like go through my slides, talk about my slides, make a chart like this, blah blah blah, hook up your stuff like this, and so you can get a nice, talking head talking about the stuff that you're doing in the particular slide, and that all gets captured, right? So then when you're done, there's a little dialogue. Let's see if I can move it. There's a little dialogue like this. It's probably on the screen or it's on a different screen. I don't even like this. You can get rid of this kind of stuff too. You can like hide that away, or I don't know if you can move that away or not. Uh, there's some stuff you can do to play around with that. Maybe I'll have another video on that. But anyway, when you're done, then you just click stop sharing, and it will go and upload your video, and it goes to your MetroEd Google Drive, your account, your Gmail account goes to your Google Drive, and so it's actually up there, and we have lots of space, and I'm glad we have lots of space because I have a ton of these videos from last year when we were in the pandemic. Stop that, and like so, for example, here's like all my videos, right? And I got tons of videos from stuff we did and classes I did and things I recorded, and I'd send it to students, or I'll have something that they're going to watch later, or like videos like this where it's like, hey, here's a quick how-to on how to do something, right? So anyway, that's just a super quick little view of what you're doing. But what's nice about this is that you'll actually get all of these videos, and when you get done, usually over on the left hand side, you've got like a little bar, little set of lines, and you can click on that, and that'll like have a menu that's like show my videos, and it'll go to where your videos are. The nice thing is though is that there'll be a spot right up at the top on the left hand side once you've done your video to like click on there and get a link to it, and that's just a link to that video, and you can send that to anybody. You can also download the videos and download them as MP4s, and then send them or load them or share them, put them on YouTube, whatever, right? So anyway, if you got any more questions, just shout out, and I can come do 10-minute more little tutorial on how to do this stuff. But hopefully this gets you going, and just play with it, right? Just play with it. Bye.